welcome into Southern Roots Kitchen again. This is Saturday, so I'm just going to put all of this stuff together. So I have got some ground beef that I cooked up. I'm going to take this homemade enchilada sauce that I just made and pour it in. Okay, I'll scoot this over here out of my way. Take a can of diced green chilies. Alright. Got an order at the counter behind me. The kitchen's been busy today. I'm going to take this homemade cream of mushroom soup. Let's give it all a stir. Get it good and mixed up. You can season your ground beef however you want when you cook it up. Usually it's just salt and pepper is our kind of favorite go-to around here for that. But it is looking delicious. Then, try to do this where you can see it without making a mess. I'm going to pour a layer of my meat, and this is going to make a mess. That's okay, I'm a messy cook. And kind of spread it out. Then I'm going to come through and hit it. I got too much on my counter over here with some Mexican blend cheese. Okay, then we're just going to repeat the layers. So we'll be back. This is about to pop into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll check in when it's done. All right, so here we go, fresh out of the oven. Mexican Casserole 2.0. Let's dip it up. Good and cheesy. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to see what else is coming from the Southern Roots Kitchen. We'll catch you next time.